Hello friends, today I am talking about how to optimum cable box no sound issues. Step 1. Check the volume and mute settings. Ensure the volume on your TV is turned up and not muted. Use the volume buttons on your TV or TV remote to increase the volume. Check the volume on your cable box. Press the volume up and volume down buttons on the cable box or cable box remote to adjust the volume. Press the mute button on your TV remote cable box to toggle the mute function on and off. If the mute function is enabled, the sound will be turned off. Step 2. Check the power cycle of the device. Turn off your TV and cable box. Unplug the power cords from the wall for your TV and cable box. If you have any other connected device like a sound system, unplug them as well. Wait at least 1 minute before plugging the device back in. Plug the power cords back into the wall for your TV, cable box, and any other connected device. Turn on your TV and cable box. Step 3. Verify HDMI connections. Make sure the HDMI cable is properly connected to the HDMI port on the back of your cable box. Ensure the HDMI cable is properly connected to the corresponding HDMI input on the back of your TV. Try disconnecting the HDMI cable from both the cable box and TV. Wait 30 seconds, then reconnect the HDMI cable on the cable box and TV. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely plugged in at both ends. Step 4. Check audio settings on the cable box. Press the menu button on your cable box remote to open the settings menu. Navigate to the audio settings menu on your cable box. Ensure the audio output is set to PCM or 2 channel instead of Dolby Digital or DTS. If using an HDMI connection, make sure the audio settings are configured to pass audio through HDMI. Save the audio settings and exit the menu. Step 5. Try a different HDMI input on the TV. Turn off your TV and cable box. Disconnect the HDMI cable from the current HDMI input on your TV. Connect the HDMI cable to a different HDMI input on your TV. Turn on your TV and cable box. Check if the sound is working on the new HDMI input. Step 6. Perform a factory reset on the cable box. Select the factory reset option. You may be prompted with a warning message indicating that all data will be erased. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm that you want to proceed with the factory reset. This usually involves selecting yes or confirm. The cable box will restart and begin to reset process, which may take several minutes. Do not turn off or unplug the device during this time. Once the reset is complete, your cable box will return to its initial setup state. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe.